Hey guys, it's Turn Game 234 here, and today we're checking out Luna's cat.
Yes! Oh, good night, Tubbs. Good night, Tubbs.
Luna!
So, what happened? She fucked you up?
Nicolas,
You got
Nicolas.
lucky, bastard.
Remember she's in
No!
She's in that mood.
What?
Dr. Thomas!
There's a mood that she
No,
always
just
is.
Nikki, let her go.
There goes she could beat us up. No, she doesn't need to purposefully go and beat him up. That's not fair.
No.
He's not doing anything to
No,
her.
but she looked over.
Okay, but she's not. But he's not doing anything to her.
They're under the
That's not
couch.
right. She's not allowed to go and do that.
Mama.
Because she's not playing. It's different when Thomas does it because he's just. I mean, Mischief does it because he's just playing. She was in that one. Okay. What time she was in the same exact mood?
No.
You got a pillow, friend.
You piss on that, I'll literally use you as a football.
She's watching Luna.
Hold on.
She's watching Luna. No, Dad, one time she was like, she was like this one time.
What, Luna? What? You gonna get him? Huh? You gonna get him, Luna?
Well, she was in his thing,
Cody.
but that's when she attacked the pooch. Then let her go. Just let her go and let her do what she wants to do. Stop antagonizing her. Maybe she just wants to go and hide.
That's why, Nikki, when you get your own place, you take that one with you. Nikki. Do it when you get your... Don't video me, you honker. When you get your own place, you can take that one with you.
Luna. Luna.
Oh god. Nico. That's your little finger. Ellen, Dad didn't build this. He put on my hip. He put a middle finger at my face.
The hell are you shaking your tail over?
Dad, I'm dumbing you.
Huh? Chicken shit? Get your ass back over there. No, it's Pooch. He's a different breed than shitbird.
Remember, he already don't like her. She don't even like him.
Put in the banana.
Put her up in the closet. Nicolas, put her up in the closet.
Yeah, stuff you in the closet. Stop scratching your fucking bugs.
Nope. I don't think
It's
so.
fine every 10 seconds to see you.
Do I like...
Huh? Stop! See, look, that was about 8 seconds.
Oh my god.
I see you stick your hand on your head, I'm gonna crack you in the jaw.
She's right there. No! I don't think so.
Alright.
She's about to follow Hooch. She's about to follow Hooch.
Alright, well, where is this stupid little turd?
He went
Yeah, he needs.
Alright, well, how about get the shitheads their food?
Yeah.
How much has he got in there? How much has he got in there? That's enough for him tonight. So it's only Hooch that needs food. That's enough for Thomas tonight.